yes intsha hey yes apha kwaMayimayi ndamkhupha bonke ya indoda kwaMayimayi afika ilindelwe ngamadoda axwa inxili pha kwaMayimayi mkhulu landa abantu bakho ayigubhe mkhulu kwaMayimayi ukhanda imali ayo ndawo yezibhanqa leyo ndawo yophambanela le ndiyam-understanda shem umuntu onxiliswe yifame but ke ngoku kuba udom alibali into yobana ngaba kwaMayimayi akho sereyidweni kwaMayimayi kungekho seTV-ni ayondawo yokhanda ii-fans leya because ubufuna wena into ephantsi kwegama lakho ezawuthi hayi ubani uziphelisile imovi emanto sixakwe yiSouth Africa esa spirit nela fuqufuqu nela gquzu leli silifunayo sifuna abantu abanalamandla ophuma elubala thina amatshantliziyo azawuvela ngela hlobo hayi usukela abantu asebesukelwe we understand because ngoku udibana abantu abakhokha islim bag not ibag yenxili not inxili ibag yenqawe I'm talking about the slim bag apho sinovula iziphu kutaka ii-problems kuso amadoda akhomba ngaphi iphi ke ngoku ziphi ezazithuko zoba hey isikhothi sam awucinga utshintsha into eyenziwe elizweni mntakwethu umnye uwedwa because of ngoku ulambile ifame ibikurholisa imali now ufuna i-reference wena ezawuba phansi kwegama lakho uba ubani ukhuphe iimofi wazenza zaphela emhlabeni zazikhona zipasiswe nguThabo Mbeki because kukho abatshoyo zazipasiswe nguThabo Mbeki iimofi baze bazilwela isigodi sasentontoni okanye indawo ethile yazi yayilo iprovince ethile bantakwethu ziyekeni mani ezinto we need all this power eniyisebenzisayo kwizinto ezi-uncalled for to use it fighting for izinto ezinecessary eSouth Africa. Everything is against us. We are sort of defeated. We need all the power and the strength enisisebenzisayo kwizinto eningafanelanga ukusebenzisa kuzo. Yayizi into enjalo. Ngoku nithi ngoku abathi sizabe sikhona uMayimayi ufuna imali yena. KwaMayimayi ukhanda imali la. And then abantu bakhulu phana ufike bekulindele ontanga bakho ke ngoku. Uyawuzubona mhla ke ngoku kufikelele ithuba lokuba kodwa uba unespirit esinje hayi uthetha nje man unespirit ufika kwaMayimayi wenzelwe iblockage ngamadoda axwa izilimbek ayi4 nifike niphole negqiza lakho labantu abayi20 hayi mhlekazi andifuna ukuxokisa unespirit somoya unomoya webhayisekile othiwe erhasini yayibona lonto le sanusebenzisa amandla bros we need all the strength and the power to fight for iSouth Africa to fight against izinto ezingekho ezenziwa kuthi eSouth Africa we must combine all this power and the strength sibe united singathethi ngezigodi sithethe ngendawo ngesiqhekeqhekeke sibe ziSouth Africans ezi-united fighting against izinto ezinegative ezenziwa kuthi singama South Africa you understand that power was supposed to be used far before today far before yesterday if beniye kwaMayimayi izolo you understand nistophe urhulumente ngelixa besithi la mthetho wayewufaka wemofi mazipase indoda mayitshate enye indoda umfazi utshata omnye umfazi nithi hayi niyathula ningathethi ya understand nizothetha ngexesha lokugqibela masiyekeni lonto mina ndiyanicela ndiyanithanda ndiyakholwa nini into endiyifunayo nje iyi-1 masisebenzeni onke lamandla sinawo ungumZulu ngumXhosa ulichangana ungumZulu ngumXhosa ungumtswana uNantsika ulimpondo ulibhaca zonke izinhlanga zalapha eSouth Africa zidibane zenza into eunited nento ecollected you understand sibe collective now we need to go forward using all this power we have you understand mangabikho amandla amane echithwa kwizinto ezingekhoyo ezenziwayo kubantu bakuthi yaqonda because anyone une reason yokuphila apha sanufuna ii-hashtags wena waze walwa umbane watshintshwa wayeke utsalwa emanzini kwenziwa isolo okanye watsalwa emalahleni loo nto ize nam ndingikhuzeka hayi madoda zikhona into ezifanele ukulwelwa hayibona aniyibambi kanjalo zikhona ngoxa sekudibana amadoda asethi islimbek utsho uvele ngokuba ngekho ikirana mntakwethu zonke nto uzithetha uphethe ibhunguza lekhuni lomthi ikirana mntakwethu enamafelengwe namafelemfene yesudlala
afika ke kwaMayimayi ethi uzolwa obaba bathi cha not today ngiyabonga kobaba abakwazi ukuma esikhaleni bemele into elungile enye into engayithandi ngokuba ingqwele and being part of amajida ukuthi the minute unombono ohlukile namanye amajida then you're not man enough fanele uvumelane na wonke lo vobe lo and that's another reason why I was attacked uma singaboni ngasolinye akuchaza ukuthi fanele sithukane lempi esinayo njengamanje is it about ubutabane noma is it about imvunulo into edala udweshu ukuthi kusetshenziswe imvunulo Fine. Senza njani ke thina njengamaZulu, wena as a custodian of the Zulu culture, wenza njani to prevent this situation from happening again? Asifundiseni abantu ukuthi cha, ingwe abantu basebukhosini kuphela, which is the very same thing with usiko lwamaSwati. Siyazi ukuthi igwalagwala uphaphe lo labalixhoma la, not just anyone can do that, but it's only the people ababuya ebukhosini that are allowed to do that. Then thina, why singanayo imithetho enjalo? Why lemvunulo itholakala eitradini zaseGoli noma eDurban station noma kwaMaimai? Why am I able to go buy ingwe if ingwe is reserved for amakhosi kuphela? Niyalibona ukuthi iphutha liqala. And throughout the entire years we've been seeing abantu abangase basebukhosini bayigqoka ingwe. We've seen amashayina evunulu lephelele egqoke the very same mvunulo enilwelayo. We've seen abantu bomdabu wamandiya. We've seen abelungu bayigqokile, but anikaze nisho lutho, anikaze nilwe. But only now, because hey, itabana ayihluphi umuntu, banemizi, baneimoto, banemindeni yabo. And uma ngibheka ama-profile wabanye abafowethu abangithukayo right now, I'm very worried. I'm worried ngey'ngane zabo ezingahlawuliwe, kodwa bona balokhu bathi hey, ngumZulu. Izwe lethu lidliwa abantu bangaphandle. Khona i-Operation Dudula, akuzange kube khona ngisho i-strike esi-1 esithi thina singuZulu, hlangana Zulu, silelwa elengabadi. No one said that. But makuvela nje into engathi ayicacanga, siyasukuma, siyabhukula sonke, sifuna ukubonakalisa ubudoda bethu. Ngibonga kakhulu kubanye abafowethu abakwaziyo ukuthi baqaqa umqondo, basebenzise ingqondo, bacabange ngendlela eyahlukile, futhi bengasabi ukwahlulelwa ngokuthi ngoba nginombono ohlukile then kuzothiwa ngista.
Yazi angihlekisa le, yazi angihlekisa. Uthe ethi uyangena nabantu bakhe kade ehamba nakwathiwa nje hlehla shona emuva nokuphapha kwakho neqembu lakhe elincane shona emuva la wena uzongena ngoba uzothenga kuphela mawuze ngokunye hlehla lapho mabethi bayafika nanka amaphoyisa bathi nje ngeke uzungene wena ngena la ngoba uzodla kodwa mawuzophazamisa isinkwa sethu ibhizinisi lethu ngeke akwazi plus namaphosa bemaningi yonke into ibirathi sethi ukuthi nje mabethi awuzikhala lavela duma izulu elokho ehlekisa ubala ke naye lokho ehleka ubala manje inkinga yami ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngiyiposte le video cause kade ngibuka ku Facebook so nje but mhlambe abangakayiboni basazoyibona kodwa nje lento le kade ifuna ukuthi yenzakalanga bathe nje hayi la business leli sikhanda imali labantu wena othi wena ubafuna egcineni basilethela imali futhi sizokwenza shothi siyabavikela wonke umuntu ola uyaphepha ukuphapha kwakho shona le uyophapha le ngakini la uphapha khona hayi la sebenza imali ngiyayithanda lento obaba laba abayenze bakhomisile ukuthi amadoda emizi nabo bazele banezihloko for sure nasehlobutsheni zabo banazo or mhlawumbe enganeni zabo abanazo zikhona ingane lezi kuliwa nazo njengamanje inhle into abayenzile inhle kakhulu into.
Said you when you do video, say my guys.
I didn't know his name, but I've seen him at Heartland.
You gotta love the pink dollar. You gotta love the pink dollar. Ngizwe abamvumelanga ukuthi angene my bamxoshile. Sasishilo ke sathi ningasukeli singanenzanga nini.
He deals Molly at Heart.
Guys, let's go to my mind. Wembali uzwile ukuthi ungizwe mchunu kuyeza lapho namabhinca nabantu basemahostela bazofika ngabo 11-12 lapho banomhlangano ngendaba yeDabad. Cela niyosilekelela. Ayithi sijwayele ukuza lapho siyama customer wenu. Ngicela ngihambile niyosilekelela ke.
Ayikhululeki backup iningi kakhulu. Njengamanje bangikhuluma nawe nje khona amaphoyisa athagade yena alinde yena. Uthi manje angena nje siyaphazamisa la ayamvalela ngaphakathi. We always ukhuluma nomlungu kambali. Ungizwa uyahlanya kahambe yofa. Khululekani nini yabona thina ngoba nginisupport thina support ungizwa. Simbhekele ngayo yonke indlela sivivile ngayo yonke indlela. Ungizwa uyahlanya kho ngizwe la wezimathanda wakhe. Umsebenzi wethu lo ungizwa kangena indawo lapho uyadaka ungizwe.
Awuzungena
is a video I got on Facebook of Ubab Mgize being denied access to KwaMaiMai, to push this whole narrative that he has of being homophobic, or I don't know what it is, but to push that narrative. And I feel like if the people we need to give their flowers to while they're still alive, it's KwaMaiMai. That man, I'm not sure if it's the management or the owner, but that man went to Ubab Mgize and said, "Anizungena la unless nizodla inyama." And that, just that, guys. And I've never been to KwaMaiMai, but the people that have been there, after this, as the queer community, as the LGBTQ, we need to show support to that place. They respect who we are. And that is what we just want from people. You can be homophobic, you can not understand what I am or who I am, and it's okay. But that does not give you the right to disrespect and insult me. The only thing we are pleading for, the only thing we're asking for, is that just respect me the same way that I respect you. There's so many things that as a gay person I do not understand and align with, and especially with a certain tribe. Same things are being done, and it's like, this is not okay. But I will never go on the internet or approach you in real life and say no, or wrong, or steal. I will never do that. The same way that I respect that, reciprocate. Gay people will forever be here. So places cannot so exist as seen now, unfortunately. The only thing is, if you see me in a public space and you hate who I am or what I am, because that's what people say, that does not give you the right to insult me. Keep it moving, it's okay. I'm not going to get on hands because I don't expect what one people on hand. And as the LGBTQ community, gay people also, we need to understand that and it's okay. But respect me the same way that I respect you. Phela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. People are happy after Ungezwe Mchunu was denied access laphana Johannesburg. Enzaweni ledume kakhulu ngokuthi kushaya unyama laphana kwaMaiMai. So sibonile ukuthi Ungezwe fikile lapha Nkosi yami neliqembu lakhe bathi bato khuluma ngendzaba yeTitabane ukuthi iTitabane igqoka imvunulo. Chamka vele bayidlile nabe imvunulo. Mabafika lapha egedeni bafika bathola bobabe labadzala nemaphoyisa lamasayidini kume amaphoyisa. Bathi labo babe nje kungizwe qho nizongena la uzongena la. If ungena la ongena nje udidlela inyama kuphelela lapho mawufike la uzodofika tindzaba te khuluma timvunulo Tabane la ku run business la awuyendi lento le. And people are really excited and happy after babone ukuthi Ungizwe uqoshiwe laphana. Le video yakhe Nkosi yami bevisana buhlungu angasahlekisi lapha Ngizwe bathi sithi qho abathi bahlekisa abazama chaza bathi awuzungena la. And people are very happy Nkosi yami bathi cha uhlangane netimbela tifutha ke ukaba bathi umuntu uhlangane netimbela tifutha basuke basho into lefana nale uthi yafika enzaweni utshela ukuthi nguwe ufike uthole bonzanga bakho. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.